I love your outfit. Sino ba yung fashion icon mo?
Actually, wala sa TikTok lang. Nakikita ko lang.
So parang sabi ka lang sa uso.
Oo.
How would you describe your outfit ngayon?
Wala lang. Aesthetic vibes lang. Ganyan.
Pero maganda siya, in fairness. How happy are you on a scale of 1 to 10 right now?
So, 8 something.
Sino ba nagpapasaya sa'yo?
Boyfriend ko.
Oh, sana all my boyfriend. What makes you happy?
Family po.
How happy are you right now?
10.
10. Bakit 10?
Lahat po kasi binibigay sa akin.
If there's one particular tourist spots in the Philippines that you would want to visit, what would it be?
Palawan.
Bakit Palawan?
Maganda po kasi po yung tourist spot nila doon.
Nakapunta ka na doon. I love your outfit, by the way. Sino yung fashion icon mo?
Si Doja Cat po.
And how do you call that fashion?
Streetwear.
I like your outfit. What is your inspiration sa outfit mo na yan?
Sa Pinterest lang po. I look sa Pinterest.
Sino ba yung fashion icon mo?
Wala po. Naglo-look lang po ako sa Pinterest.
So parang sabay uso ka lang, gano'n.
Yes po.
Pero I love it, You have a nice sense of style, by the way. But
It depends from time to time. It like changes, but I like the Danish. Oh, what's her name? Do you know her? Who? The Danish girl. She's known for her hair. Do you know who I'm talking about?
no, not really.
No, but I really like Scandinavian.
Okay. By the way, how would you describe your outfit right now?
Really basic.
I love it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you right now?
10.
Question. How happy are you right now on a scale of 1 to 10?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I am 9 out of 10 happy.
What makes you happy?
My work, as of now, my work, because I have my first ever job after graduation.
Really?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
By the way, I love your style. How would you describe your outfit now?
I think my inspiration for now is being a tech guy.
Meron ka bang fashion icon?
I don't have any specific fashion icon, pero I watch David Gison.
Wow. David Gison is amazing.
David Gison, yes. Nakumakotin yung mga coffee shop, you know.
If, let's say, for example, mapanood to ni David, ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa kanya?
And Kuya David, you have so many people who you inspired. Kaya naman guys, ayan, kaya naman Kuya David, keep doing what you love and keep inspiring people.
Ayan, sasakupin na po tayo ng mga fashion boy na to. Ano yung inspiration ito? Wow, naka-supreme pa, oh. Oo. Anong inspiration mo sa suot mo ngayon?
Wala lang po, wala lang.
Meron ka bang fashion icon?
Si Central C po.
Oh, di ba? At least alam niya yung fashion icon niya. Bakit ngayon na nag-iinit ang panahon?
Depende kasi kaganina nakambon.
Change outfit! And how happy are you right now?
10.
Bakit 10?
Na-receive ko na yung Christmas bonus namin.
Ay, wow! Yeah! Question. How happy are you right now?
Super happy
Why? Why are you happy right now?
because I'm alive.
Wow. Where are you raised from?
Where am I from?
Yes, where are you from?
Liberia.
Sorry, what?
Liberia.
Liberia, nice place. Same you?
Yes, same Liberia.
Why are you here in the Philippines?
To school.
Oh, you study here?
Yes po.
What program or course you're studying?
High school. High school.
Wow. Where do you guys live here in Manila?
Who live Taguig.
And how do you find Philippines as your destination for school?
For me, I'm learning IT and I live Quezon City. Philippines is a nice place to be.
How about you?
Same.
Same copy-paste.
Yes po.
Outfit. Sino ba yung fashion icon mo?
Actually, I don't have one, but I just like ano ba?
Like, how would you... It's okay. How would you describe your outfit now?
Actually, this is all altered, so I don't know how can I describe my outfit.
Pero ang ganda, in fairness.
So, wow.
Meron kang sense of fashion.
Thank you. Actually, this is just a old
slacks that I made it a skirt.
Parang
Then,
ano mo na lang siya, in-alter.
yes, tapos yung shirt, kinat ko lang siya sa my neck. So, yeah.
How would you rate your fashion right now?
Right now, 10.
I can feel that you're happy. What makes you happy?
Actually, nagpunta kami here sa Manila kasi nag-join kami ng competition.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mindanao, Tagum City, Davao.
Saya, mandinig, English pa ta. English pa ta. Yes, pwede kayo. So, nganong nag-join man ka din? Unsa nga competition?
Nam siya, National Jade! National Yeah.
Wow, unsa na siya ka ng singer-singer?
Grandalia, tapos taga-play ko Banderia. So, Lavideria. So, I'm happy.
Guys, guwapa, fashionista, ug talented pa dyan.
Thank you!
Ang ganda ng outfit mo ngayon. Sino ba yung fashion icon mo?
Wala naman.
Parang ano lang, trip-trip lang.
Trip ko lang yung suot ko.
How happy are you right now?
10 out of 10.
Last question. If there's one particular tourist destination in the Philippines you would want to visit, ano yon?
Siargao.
Bakit Siargao?
Wala. Nakikita ko lang siya sa social media. And
Nakapunta ka na doon, hindi
hindi
pa?
pa naman. Hindi pa. Planning ngayong December.
December. You will have fun there. Magandang Siargao.